Hello, YouTube. Well, got a small question here. See if I can put you down here real quick. See if I can get this thing running. Problem is, there's a leak back here. So I wonder, is there supposed to be seals behind there? I took them apart, there's no seals. I put it in to stop it leaking here. But, as I can tell, it's leaking from, yeah, right there. Nobody knows anything about hydraulics. This is my first one. I don't know anything about it. I just gotta know if you can get new seals for this. I took this apart, I didn't see any in there, so I don't know if it was missing or... I mean, it seems to be doing pretty good. Unless I do this up here, you can see right at that. See if I can zoom it in. Right there, you see. It's leaking out. That's my only problem with this. So, if somebody could help me with that, that'd be awesome, because I really don't know how to fix that leak. Looks like I gotta do it on this side too. Yeah. Alright, folks. That's that. So if anybody could help me with that, that'd be much appreciated. Here's Spring's first project. I have to buy a new hood for it. Should be pretty decent. Yeah. Well, my main concern today was to see if anybody can, this is going to be a cool one too. This is a 1980s Dixie chopper. Old school, zero turn. Works good though. Alright, I'm going to make this video short and sweet, but that's what it is. I need to fix that. And sorry folks about, I've been changing all the old subscribers. I'm changing a lot of the model videos. Those are going to be gone, you know, for the most part, besides the ones that are left. And, yeah, I'm trying to go a different way, and people like it, they like it. If they don't, well, they'll go. I already lost quite a few, but you know, it is what it is. This is what I feel like I want to do. But this was a cold start too, so that wasn't bad. Man, it's going good. Alright folks, until next time. If anybody could tell me about this, whatever worked on that. Alright, until next time.